This is video number 2 on a series for small creators, helping them to increase the views to their channels. That's people like you. And we're gonna cover how to double, even triple your views by creating what I like to call a view trap, a viewer trap, meaning viewers find your video, watch multiple videos, triggering the algorithm, increasing your views even more. This is a good one. Now, if you haven't watched video number 1 in this series, I'll link to it in the top comment below. Check it out. Let's jump in. Structure. Structure is why this works so well. I'm going to help you to structure your channel and specifically your individual videos in a way that gets viewers to subscribe, that gets viewers to watch another video, and that's the thing that's going to trigger the algorithm. However, for this to work, it's important that you apply all the steps, and if you miss one, it's going to be why you're struggling to get views. You want to create 2 or 3 playlists, and the goal is to go very deep in one particular subject. In other words, if you have a channel on cooking, then think of creating a playlist on Italian cooking, and then maybe another playlist on low-fat cooking. If you're a gamer, it could be Call of Duty and Battlefield, 2 different playlists, 2 different subtopics. Simple. And then you're going to choose very specific video topics, not just anything you want to create, but we're going to do some research to structure our channel and our videos in a way that, again, is going to trigger the algorithm. And the way we're going to do that is by leveraging a method that I created a long time ago, super powerful, still works today. You're going to go to YouTube and you're going to simply type in 2 or 3 words that describe the playlist you want to create. Obviously, this should be something that's popular and being searched for on YouTube, like Italian recipes. And then the idea is simple. You simply type in Italian recipes into the search bar, and then you add an A, and then a B. And when you do that, you get all these great different search terms. And I want you to make a list of 25, 50 search terms. And then you're going to cherry pick maybe 10 to 20 video topics or keywords based on what you find during this research phase. And this works in any niche, especially where there are skills to learn about a specific game, hobby, or skill. Like, check this out. Warzone 2 just came out, and check out all the different search terms that people are looking for. This would be an incredible opportunity for you if you're a gamer. Now, this next part is super powerful and will result in your videos getting more subscribers. So imagine if you get 100 views, and if you're like, I don't even get 100 views, well then if you get 25 views, you'll actually get more subscribers. And what that does is it tells YouTube that viewers really like this video, and then YouTube will be more likely to push out your video to more viewers. You see, that's how this works. When you make lots of great little decisions, they add up to big things here on YouTube. Now, the first thing you want to do is create a compelling title based on the specific search terms that you find. For example, check out this video that I released. This is the first video in the series, Will Small YouTube Channels Get Crushed in 2023? It's topical, it's timely, it's based on 2023, which is coming up in just weeks. Most of my viewers are small creators, and it's compelling, it's scary, it's based on fear. You want to create video titles that have a search term, but are also compelling. This will help you get into search as well as browse and suggested. However, sadly, that doesn't mean the video is going to do well. The video will do well when the video gets at least 50% watch time, a high CTR or click-through rate, if they subscribe and often, in other words, how many people subscribe when they see the video? More equals better equals triggers the algorithm. And furthermore, if they watch more videos from my channel. When those things happen, the algorithm will be more likely to promote the video. And to make that happen, you want to structure your videos in this particular manner. Within the first 5 seconds, you want to mention exactly the keyword phrase in your title. You want to call call out to the fact that you're speaking to the very people that just clicked on your video. Give them the thing they clicked for quickly. And then you want to include a call to action. So you want to call to viewers to subscribe or to click the like button. You can do this with a lower third graphic, just like what you see on the screen right now, or you can literally tell them, hey, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I release this content all the time. I guarantee when you tell viewers to subscribe, a higher percentage of viewers will, and you'll be more likely to trigger the algorithm as mentioned. And then next up, you want to break down your content into subtopics. And you want to look at your subtopics and you want to lead with the thing you believe your viewers are going to find most interesting. Nothing is more important than the first 30 seconds to a minute of your video. Don't worry about saving your best for last when you can't get viewers to the end of your video to begin with. So lead with your very best content. That'll create more viewers continuing to watch, which will increase your watch time, and it'll be the thing that more likely triggers YouTube. And then simply go through your content and make sure you practice your delivery. If you keep going on and on and on, stop and film that section again. Now, when you get to the end of your video, you want to really leverage end screens. And here's what I recommend you do. When you're creating the content and you've got the subtopics, write them down, have them on a pad of paper. I always have mine right on my iPad here so I can follow through, so I know where I'm at, so I can structure my content and I can get to the point. Now, the thing you want to do is if you're covering, say, 5 tips or 10 steps, whatever the case may be, this is really tricky, but it'll help you get more views and trigger the algorithm. Make the last step actually the next video or a previous video you've already released on the subject. And what you want to do is you want to lead viewers into watching that video. Don't say things like, thanks for watching. Instead, go right into the content. And step number 10 is to increase your watch time or to increase your views. Make sure you click and watch the video on the screen right now. And when you do that, I guarantee more of the viewers will click the video, which will trigger the algorithm, which resulted in my video on the screen getting 1.8 million views. Totally works, even for small channels. Click the video on the screen now to get those views, and I'll see you there.